Hello, my name is Talal, and in this video I'm going to teach you BIDMAS. So, order of operations, the second rule of multiplication and division. So, if you watch my previous part of this chapter, we did some work on addition and subtraction. Now, today we're gonna do division and multiplication in this video, and we're gonna use the left to right rule and how to use the left to right rule. So let's get on with the video. So as you know, in BIDMAS, multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So this means that we have to do division and times before the addition and subtraction. So the first question is 8 minus 12 divided by 3 times 2 equals. So first of all, we're gonna do divided bys and times, because divides and division and times come before addition and subtraction. So your equation will look like this if you use the left to right rule. 8 minus 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 2. So this is times, it's still times, so we still have to finish this equation. 8 minus 4 times 2 is 8, so 8 minus 8 is 0. So this is the answer. Okay, so next question is 12 divided by 3 plus 8 times 2. So in this we have to go left to right each time. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, plus 8 times 2 is 16, and 4 plus 16 is 20. So the answer is 20. Answer. Okay, next example. 15 divided by 5 minus 1 times 2. So the same way, left to right. 15 divided by 5 is 3, minus 1 times 2 is 2, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is our final answer. So another example is 10 minus 2 times 6 divided by 3. So it's the same rule, left to right. So we have to do 10 minus 2 times 6, 12 divided by 3, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. Then the answer is gonna look like this: 6. Okay, next example, number 5. 12 plus 24 divided by 6 times 4. Okay, so we're gonna, the process is gonna look like this: 12 plus 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 4, and then 12 plus 4 times 4 is 16, and then 12 plus 16 is 28. So this is our final answer. Okay, last example that I'm gonna teach you is this question: 2 times 3 minus 12 divided by 3. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, so 6. Minus is gonna stay the same because multiplication and division comes before subtraction and addition. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is our answer. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe. And if you have any difficulties, just write it in the comments, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible, or I'll make a video on it.